2004 Lexus GX 470, 104,000 miles, all records including timing belt, in like new condition. Everything works on the vehicle. Has the roof rack, rear spoiler, moonroof. This is a 4x4 vehicle. Like I said, in immaculate condition. Third row seats, they fold up. Tow package. If you hear wind noise, I apologize. No accidents, all original running boards, alloy wheels, Michelin tires. Interior is spotless. Leather interior. Original floor mats. Telescoping steering wheel. Everything works on the vehicle. 4x4. Heated seats. Navigation. 104,000 miles. Backup camera. Sunroof, moonroof. JBL sound. Actually, this has the Mark Levinson sound. I apologize. Second row seats, third row seats. Vehicle is immaculate in and out. (2004) Lexus GX 470, 104,000 miles in pristine condition.